Hello, hello, hello. Eighth grade. Okay, today is January 28th. This is what you're working on today. Um, you're finishing up the Northwest Territory, all right? The ordinances of 1785 and 1787. As you read through this lesson, okay, just understand that this was the system that they used to open up new territory to settlers, okay? They used a combination of laws, okay, to make sure that they released land to settlers in an orderly fashion. So you all are going to wrap that up today. Let's take a look at the agenda. Oh, first, if you've been out this week, okay, and haven't had a chance to take the benchmark, okay, please take the benchmark at home. Please take the benchmark at home. I'm going to show you how to get to the benchmark after I give you the agenda. Okay. Even if you weren't here for the instruction or you don't have the notes, they give you the reading that you will use to answer five multiple choice questions and two short answer questions. So they give you everything that you need to be successful on the benchmark. Please complete that by next Friday. I don't have any control over that date. So to avoid having this show up as missing or a zero, please make an attempt. All right. And further down the line, we'll see if it's something that we'll keep, but it will go into Schoology. So just be prepared for that. All right. So I'll show you how to get to that in just a moment. So the agenda is similar to what you all did yesterday. Okay. You'll understand the system for settlement that was created to open up the Northwest Territory by sequencing the ordinances or laws of 1784, 85, and 87. Now, the Ed puzzle, second period. I know that you all didn't have a chance to take this. Shout out to Liam and Yomara. Thanks for letting me know that it wasn't working. And so if you and some other folks reached out to me. I think Adiel and some others in other periods. But if you didn't get a chance to do that, please do that first. Okay. Please do that first. If you need a retake, just send me a message. I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. It won't be in real time, but just take it and then move on to the reading and the thinking map and the Northwest Territory quizzes game and all that stuff. And then just check back to see if I was able to unlock it. I'll be in and out today. So, next, do the reading. Okay. We will have a quiz on lesson one, chapter seven, lesson one. So make sure that you read through the entire thing. You may not get through all of it today, but try to read it and then do the GIM kit. All right. Now, if you're able to complete the GIM kit and achieve the 5 million, I think it is, it's all true false questions about the reading. Then I'll give you some extra credit towards your quiz. Next, you'll do the focus notes. All right. If you weren't here for the focus notes, I'll show you where to get that. And then you're going to add your flow map to the third or fourth slide in the focus notes. And it looks like some of you all have already started the quizzes on the Northwest Territory. Appreciate that. I'm going to put that in to Schoology sometime this weekend, maybe, hopefully before Monday, and and finish that up. And certainly, if you did not take the benchmark, take the benchmark. All right, so the benchmark can be found over here in our course. And so you're going to go to the course, of course, go to this week. And this week you're going to, go to the week of January 24th and you'll see the benchmark right there. Okay. You click on that, it'll open up, illuminate in Schoology, and then you just, you can do this at home too. All right. So again, if you haven't been here and you need to take that, please take that. Do it at home. All right. Okay. So, and then the Ed puzzle is also here. Let's see. Q. Oh, it just moved. I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Okay. So everything's in there. The Ed puzzle is here as well. All right. And some of you all have noticed I started to put some of the boosts that you all completed before the Christmas break. I started putting that stuff in. And then here's I'll put your score for the online learning activity. Matter of fact, let me click on that real quick. And you'll notice that this is a what is this? A choice, right? You either do the quizzes game or you do the reading questions at the end of the reading. Okay, those three right there. Okay, so if you miss the deadline for the quizzes game, which is February 3rd, all right, then you have to do the end of the reading questions. All right, so don't forget that. All right, so now let me show you the um, what is this? The focus notes. All right. Now, again, if you have not started creating your focus notes, you're going to go over to Google Classroom. All right. You should see at the very top the um, all of the focus notes that we have, but you're going to click on this one that says new. It says new on it. The focus notes is blank. You're going to click that and make a copy. Once you make your copy, you can come back here and start to fill this in. All right. So you can pause, if I go through this too fast. All right. But the topic on the topic slide should be the Constitution. Make sure you put chapter 7. Okay. I'm going to click slideshow for those of you all who don't have this. And you go ahead and type that in. Make sure you press pause. Now, here's the new one. Okay. And uh, no one has this yet. So make sure that you all put in the question, describe the system used to open up the Northwest Territory. Make sure you copy and paste the essential question. And then our topic for lesson 1.2 is opening up the territory. So they opened this territory up to settlers. How did they do it? Okay, was it a big giveaway or was it, very orderly and very specific? Okay, now once you have created, now if you need information on how to make your flow map, this is supposed to be a flow map. I forgot to put my arrows in here. Okay, once I add that, that'll be my flow map. For ordinances, give us a definition of that. And then there's at least one bullet point for 1784, 4 bullet points for 1785, and let's see, 5 bullet points for 1787. Now, if you need that information, go back to yesterday's video. I give you some of this information, but I tell you where to look. All right. And you can get that. Once you have that complete, just screenshot it, put it right in here like I did, and then give like a quick little summary. Okay. The Northwest Territory was this organized system of releasing land to new settlers or something like that. Okay. And they used the ordinance of 1784, 1785, and 1787 to do that. Something, quick and easy like that. All right. So you can go back and pause that or rewind that to get that information. And then on Monday, I'll give you 1.3. We'll do 1.3 together. Then on Tuesday, you can expect like a quick little quiz. All right. What's next? So to complete the focus notes and then the quizzes. And I already showed you the quizzes game and all that stuff. So I think that is it for today. Oh, GimKit. So when you go over to GimKit, you're going to click on your hub once you log in and you scroll down to the bottom and you will see the assignment. So the assignment is this Chapter 7 1.2 ordinances. Again, I'm going to give you extra credit if you hit the $5 million goal. Okay, you can take that as many times as you want, but try to get to 5 million. It's all true, false, all true, false. Make sure you read it. Okay, it's a lot of questions in there. It's just to help you prepare for the quiz. All right. So I believe that is it. If you need a retake, send me a message. If you have any other questions, send me a message. Otherwise, you all take care. Have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday.